Hello all, welcome to my channel. So today we will learn how we can use HashMap in DataProvider. Okay. So I have already created a video on DataProvider of TestNG. Okay. If you haven't watched that video, I would request each and everyone please go and watch that video. Then check this video. Else it will be a bit difficult for you to understand. Okay. Okay, so before coming to the code, I would request each and everyone please subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell button. So whenever I'm uploading a new video, you will get notification immediately. And also share with your friends and families whoever is preparing for any automation testing interview or want to learn Java. I think whatever the videos I am creating, okay, those videos will be very helpful for them. Also please like my videos on and share your thoughts, and also let me know if you are having any doubt or if you need clarification on any of the topic or if you need videos on any other technical topic. I will try to create video on that topic also. Now coming to the code. So first what I am doing, I am creating a class, okay, the data provider underscore hashmap, and here at the rate test, so that it can be considered as one test cases. Okay, this part I'm coming later. Okay, then I'm creating a method, okay, public void login, and this part also I'm coming later. Okay, then I'm initializing WebDriver equal to new Chrome driver, okay, and then maximizing the window. Then I'm driver.navigate to facebook.com. So I'm navigating to facebook.com. Okay. Then there is one web element for email ID and another for password. So for email ID, I'm using CSS selector to locate that element. Okay. So just let's go to that. So this is the page, right? So if I inspect, so here if you could see ID equal to email. Okay. So we can use the ID also as a locator, but I want to use something else. So that's why I'm using CSS selector. For CSS selector, how we can use the ID? We can use the ID using tag name hash ID value. Okay. If you could see here, 1 second. If you could see here, ID is the input is the tag name. Okay. Here the tag name is input and here ID value is email. So input hash email. Okay, but this tag name is optional. Okay, for CSS selector, tag name is optional. So we can use ID value also using hash ID value. Okay, so that's what I'm using. Tag name I didn't use. Okay, we can use in that manner also. I'm just mentioning here tag name, then hash ID. But this tag name is optional. So we can directly use hash ID. Okay, for CSS selector. Okay, and this is the web element. Okay, we are storing it, and then I'm giving the value email ID dot send keys, and here I'm giving the value. So this part I'm coming later, and then thread dot sleep. 1 second I'm giving so that you can see what the execution is happening, else it will be very fast. Okay, execution will be very fast and we will miss it. So that's why I'm using thread dot sleep. And here for password also in the same manner I am using CSS selector locator, and ID value I am using, so that's why I'm giving hash pass. Okay, so if you go to that, okay, just inspect this password. So here if you could see ID equal to pass, right? So that I am using CSS selector hash pass. Okay, that I am using, and then password dot send keys, and here I am giving the value. Okay, then thread dot sleep and then driver dot quit. So all the open session will be closed. Now I'm coming to the data provider part. Okay, so for data provider we have to use this annotation. Okay, at the rate data provider, it is available in TestNG. Okay, and then public object data. So this is the method, and the return type is object. Okay, two-dimensional array, so that any type of return type can be accepted. For object class, any type of return type can be accepted. Then I'm creating an object of HashMap. So HashMap, and here the key value pair. Okay, for key value pair return type I am using string, because email ID password we have to use and all the return type is string, right? So that's why I'm giving HashMap string comma string. So this is return type of key and this is return type of value, and creating an object of map equal to new HashMap. Okay, and then I'm putting the value. For email, first value is rita@gmail.com and the password is rita1234. In the same manner, I am creating second set of data. So this is map 1. Okay, and here the email ID is shiva@gmail.com and password is shiva1234. In the same manner, there is a third set of data, that is map 2. And here I am giving email as a trilok@gmail.com and password is trilok1234. Then I am returning these values. Okay, so return new object and map comma map 1 and map 2. Okay, so if you need any other set of data, suppose 5 or 6, accordingly you can do that. Okay, so then I'm using here @test, and here I have to give the method name data provider equal to data. So this value, so whatever the method name you are giving here, okay, that method name you have to pass in the main test case. Okay, so data provider equal to data. Suppose you are giving any other name, that method name in the data provider, that name you have to pass here. And here public void login, so here I'm providing the hash map. Okay, return type. So here I'm giving return type for key value pair is string comma string, and I'm creating an object input. Okay, so now what happened, input dot get, and here there is email value I'm giving. So its email value means this value, whatever name I'm giving here, suppose email 1234, whatever the name I'm giving. Okay, for the key, that value we have to pass here. So that's why this email. And for password also, input dot get. So this password, okay, so this password it will go. So I think now you guys will understand. Okay, and I have given 3 set of data, right? So the test case will run for thrice, 3 times. Okay, so let's see, let's run it, let's see the result. Okay, this is first set of data, close, then again it will open. It is second set of data, shiva@gmail.com. Now trilok@gmail.com and the password. Okay, and it is pass. 3 test cases are pass. Okay, so these type of questions can be asked in any automation testing interview. Okay, how we can use hash map in data provider. Okay, so this type of concept can be asked, so that's why I have shown you. So please practice it. Okay, and please let me know if you are having any doubt regarding these scenarios. Okay, I will try to clarify your doubt, and please subscribe my channel. Okay, and hit the notification bell button. Tomorrow again I will come with a new video. Till then, have a nice day. Enjoy. Thank you all.